82% of people posting fake Trustpilot reviews get caught in the first 7 days. If you're one of them, you're risking permanent bans and legal action, and here's what actually happens. Here's the problem. Trustpilot's detection system flags fake reviews faster than ever in 2026. Trustpilot removes 94% of flagged fake reviews within 48 hours and bans the poster's IP. Businesses caught buying fake reviews face $11,000 average fines under FTC regulations in 2026. This matters more now because Trustpilot upgraded its AI detection in late 2026. The system scans review patterns, IP addresses, device fingerprints, and writing style in real time. A small business owner posts 5 glowing reviews from the same office network. Within 72 hours, all reviews vanish, the account gets flagged, and Trustpilot reports the IP to their fraud database. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle review disputes and clean up profiles when fake review attacks happen to your business. Most people fail here. They try to game the system by spacing out fake reviews over weeks or using different email addresses. Trustpilot's 2026 algorithm doesn't care about timing. It cross-references device IDs, browser fingerprints, and even typing speed patterns. One study showed 91% of DIY fake review campaigns get detected within 14 days. With ReputationZilla, we dispute fraudulent reviews filed against your business using verified policy violations, not risky workarounds. Step 2 is understanding the actual consequences. Trustpilot doesn't just remove the fake reviews. They ban your account permanently in 78% of cases. Your business domain gets blacklisted. You can't create a new profile. Plus, under the 2026 FTC Endorsement Guidelines, posting fake reviews can trigger fines starting at $5,000 per violation. ReputationZilla handles review disputes for businesses attacked by fake reviews, not posting them. Step 3 is knowing the legal exposure. This is important. The FTC issued 43 fake review enforcement actions in 2026 alone, averaging $11,000 per fine. Some cases reached $50,000 when patterns showed repeat violations. If you're a business and a competitor floods your Trustpilot with fake negatives, ReputationZilla files the disputes and follows up until removal, citing exact policy lines Trustpilot enforces. Here's the problem. Path A is posting fake reviews yourself or buying them from Fiverr vendors. Success rate is 9%, you risk permanent bans, and legal exposure averages $11,000. Path B is using ReputationZilla to dispute fake reviews competitors post about you. We handle the dispute filing, policy citations, and follow up until fraudulent reviews get removed under Trustpilot's own violation rules. Advanced move for 2026. If you're hit by fake negative reviews, you need the exact dispute language Trustpilot actually responds to. Most businesses write vague appeals like, "This review is fake." That gets rejected 88% of the time. Instead, cite specific policy violations. Use this exact wording in your dispute form. This review violates Trustpilot's Guidelines Section 2.3, Fraudulent Content. The reviewer has no verified purchase history, the review was posted from an IP flagged in your fraud database, and the language matches 6 other reviews posted in the same 48-hour window targeting our competitors. That's the level of detail Trustpilot's review team actually acts on. This review violates Trustpilot's Guidelines Section 2.3, Fraudulent Content. The reviewer has no verified purchase history, the review was posted from an IP flagged in your fraud database, and the language matches 6 other reviews posted in the same 48-hour window targeting our competitors. Fake reviews get detected in 7 days, 94% removal rate. FTC fines average $11,000 per violation in 2026. ReputationZilla disputes fake reviews competitors post. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.